Record. Number of bonded electrons in ethane molecule are option 7, option 2, 12, option 3, 10, and option 4, 14. Can you solve it? Okay, so see what this question wants to know. This question wants to know that do you know about ethane molecule? And do you have knowledge about bonded and
7.
non-bonded electrons?
Sir, 14.
Let me see.
14,
Okay,
sir.
so C,
Sir,
C.
14, sir.
Okay.
14, huh?
This is ethane molecule, children. Okay. Okay, in this ethane molecule, find out bond. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 bonds are there, children. In 7 bond, you know in each bond how many electrons are there?
2.
2 electron in each bond. So 7 bonds are there. It means 14 electrons are there in form of bonded electrons. So option 4 is correct. Am I clear?
Okay, sir.
Question number 20. Have you noted down?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Question number 26. Do little bit fast. Question number 26. Number of lone pairs. Number of lone pair. Okay, lone pair of electrons. Electron in 9 grams. 9 grams of water are option 1, 2n, option 2, n by 2, option 3, n, and option 4, n by 4.
Okay,
Supradeep,
okay, sir.
Bhattacharya, Rakib.
Okay, sir.
Okay, come on. So tell me, here you know, n means Avogadro's number. 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. Okay,
Yes, sir.
come on.
Okay, sir.
Start solving. Number of lone pair of electrons. Lone pair of electrons. Please listen and understand the language properly. Electrons which are present in lone pair. Okay. Did you remember what? So here three things you have to know. First of all, how to calculate, okay, number of molecules. Number of molecules. That I think I have taught you in skill 2, how to calculate number of mole. Number of mole means W by M.
Sir, option 4.
And number 2, number of particles. Number of molecules, how you can calculate? Molecules. How can you calculate number of molecules? And after that, you should know in each structure of water molecule. So this is the structure of water molecule, and water molecule has 2 lone pairs. I told you on oxygen 2 lone pairs are there. And each lone pair 2 electrons are there. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now you solve it immediately. And then give me the correct answer. Start solving. Those who don't know, you can ask me. I will tell you the answer.
Sir, I think the first option.
Let me see.
Sir, is it option 4?
There is no possibility of only thinking. You have to tell the correct answer. This is the correct answer. Okay.
Sir, first option only, sir. First option.
Okay. So let us see. Shall I solve it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So see, first what I will give, first what I will do, they have given weight of water molecule. Okay, so first I will convert into number of moles. This is how we are solving the problem. So number of mole is equal to weight by molar weight. So you know what is the weight given? 9 gram is given and molar weight is
9
18
grams.
children.
18. Yes.
So
18.
1 by 2.
1
So
by
1
2.
by 2 mole is there, children. So this problem is solved.
Yes, sir.
Now we want number of molecules. Number of molecules is equal to number of moles into Avogadro's number. Okay?
Number.
Yeah, number
Okay,
of number of molecules is equal to number of moles into Avogadro's number. Here Avogadro's number is given as n. So now we know the number of moles value. What is the value of number of moles? 1 by 2.
half.
Okay. Into Avogadro's number. This is the number of molecules, children. Now we have to focus on each molecule. In each molecule, 4 electrons are there, children, which are present in lone pair. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
now number of lone pair electrons. Lone pair electrons. So we will multiply 1 by 2 into n. This is the number of molecules. Into, in each molecule, 4 electrons are there, children. 4 electrons. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So we have multiplied. So
Sir.
now we can cut 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. So your answer is
2n.
2n. So your which answer? First option is correct option. Did you understand?
First option. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anybody?
Sir, how 4, sir?
How 4? Because see, this is the molecule of water, H2O,
Yes, sir.
and oxygen. Did you remember I told you on oxygen, I gave you Lewis symbol, no? Once I give you Lewis
Yes, sir.
symbol.
Yes, sir.
On Lewis symbol, I
Yes, sir.
told you, this is the situation. 2 lone pairs are there
Yes, sir.
and they can form hydrogen bonding with hydrogen. So each water molecule is having 4 electrons which are present in lone pair, in form of lone pair.
Yes, sir.
It was question number 26. Let me see. What is the answer of 26? 26. Yes, option number 26. Question number 26. Question number 26, option 3 has given. Option 3 has given, children.
But sir, 3 is not possible.
Let me see once again. I think number of...
Sir, the number of lone players are 2, na, sir? 2 lone players are there.
No, wait. Two
2 lone players.
Wait, beta, wait. I think they are asking about number of lone pair of electrons.
Yes, sir.
They are not asking number of electrons present in lone pair. They are directly asking about lone pair of
Lone
electrons.
pair.
So in each molecule, there are 2 lone pairs.
Lone pair.
Did you understand, children?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
if
sir.
they are asking 2 means here we don't have to write 4 electrons. They are asking about pair. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So if
Yes,
they are
sir.
asking about pair means we have to multiply it by 2 because in each water molecule two pairs are there. 1 pair and 1 pair. Did you understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So then if we cut it, so it will be cut like this. So answer will be n. Okay. So the correct option is
Okay, sir.
not
N.
2n, not this one. Correct option is this. I hope you understand.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we have
Yes,
to
sir.
focus. We have to focus on the language properly, sir. Sometimes we can get confused. We may get confused. Number of lone pair. Number of lone pair of electrons. Got it, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Next question. Have you noted down? Did
Yes,
you
sir.
Yes,
understand
sir.
why we have removed 4 over here?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Next question. Question number
27.
27. The number of electron pairs. Number of electrons pair. Number of electron pairs involved in the formation of hydrogen cyanide molecule are option 1 2, option 2 8, and option 3 3, and option 4 4. Come on, solve it.
Option 1. Option
Solve it. Everybody participate.
Sir, two
Uh,
electron pairs. Sir, option 1, sir. Option 1, sir.
have you solved?
Yes, sir. Sir, in homework you gave this compound.
Okay. Yeah, I have given you homework. So let us see number of electron pairs. Number of electron pairs involved in the formation of hydrogen cyanide molecules. Number of electron involved in the formation. Okay, means they are asking about bonded electrons. So H, C,
Yes, sir.
triple bond N. This is the structure of hydrogen cyanide,
N.
isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So how many
Yes, sir.
pairs, how many dash are there?
3.
3 dash are there, and let's see who
Yes,
will
sir.
see the left hand side. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sigma bond,
4, sir.
and
Pi
this
bond,
is
pi bond.
pi bond,
Pi
and this
bond.
is pi bond.
5 on 5 on.
हाँ. हाँ. Hello?
खाना वाना खा ली।
So, did you understand this question, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello. I want more voice. More voice, more participant
sir.
voice.
Sir, option will be 4.
Thank you for giving option.
Yes, sir. Four will be correct.
4 options, sir.
Sir, second option, sir.
Uh,
Fourth option,
See,
sir.
I have unmuted some more people. Okay,
Fourth option, sir.
Okay, sir.
right. So
Fourth
option 4 is the correct
Second
option. Okay, happy.
Yes.
sir.
Now question number
Sir.
28. Question number 28.
Sir,
Okay.
the homework which you gave now to draw some electronic configuration by
Everything will come when I am continuously solving
sir.
each and every problem. Now you will find out your doubt in that question only.
Okay, sir.
I am coming serial wise.
Okay, sir.
Okay, right. So see, now the problems will be based on ionic bond and lattice energy, children. Okay, so question number 28. The electronegativity of two atoms, yeah, two elements are 0.7 and 3.0. The bond formed between them would be number 1 ionic, number 2 covalent, number 3 coordinate covalent bond, and number 4 metallic.
Covalent.
So difference, you can see the difference. I taught you this trick to you. If the difference is 1.7,
Yes, sir. More than 1.7. So it will be ionic.
50% ionic, 50% covalent. Okay, so what we should do first? 3.0 minus 0. What? 7.
7.
10 minus 7, 3.
2.3.
Yes, sir.
The difference is 2.3. It is more than,
2.3.
greater than
Ionic.
1.7.
Yes, sir. Ionic bond.
Ionic, yes. The
Okay,
answer
sir.
is ionic. I hope you are getting it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is question number 28. 28, yes, option 1 is correct. Everybody understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, right. Next question number 29. Highly ionic compound formed. Highly ionic compound is formed. Highly ionic compound is formed by the combination of elements belonging to number 1 1A group and 7A group. Option 2 2A group and no sound 3A group and 5A group, and option 4 0 group and 7A group. Come on, tell me the correct answer.
Option 1.
Okay,
Sir,
what
1A,
this question,
first option.
what this question wants to know from your side? In this question want
Sir,
to know
which
that yes,
electric-
in the periodic table, major is the distance. Okay. Greater is the
Okay,
difference.
sir.
Greater will be the ionic character, children.
Yes, sir.
So highly ionic compound means see 1A. So 1A is here. And 7A means 7A here. Did you understand?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So this gap is more. 2A. Again 2A will be here. And 6A.
Okay.
Gap
6A
is
will
less.
be here. The gap is less. 3A. 3A will be here. And 5A
Okay.
will be here. Gap is very less. So if the gap is less, they become covalent. Zero will not react. Did you understand, children?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Zero group, halogen group. So I think the
Sir.
first one is the correct. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let me check out which is the question number. Question number 29.
29.
Yes, 29. Option 1 is correct. I note it down completely. Hello.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, please
Okay.
wait. I have not noted down, sir. Please wait.
Write down. Anybody want to participate live? Okay, raise your hand. I will unmute them.
Sir, now complete.
Arshit.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sri Lakshmi.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Hello, Parla. Tarnasri.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. See, one sound is coming. Who is that? So next question. Question number, tell me.
30.
Question number 30. Okay. Which of the following is not an ionic compound? Which of the following is not ionic compound? इनमें से आयोनिक कंपाउंड कौन नहीं है? कैल्शियम कार्बाइड, कैल्शियम कार्बाइड, ऑप्शन 2 NaH, ऑप्शन 3 EAF2, ऑप्शन 4 BAF2 है और ये है BF3. Okay, children. Hello, children. In which of these not ionic compound? So for this, what you can do? First, you see any cation is from S block. In this, cation is from S block or P block?
S block.
S block.
S block.
So this is ionic. So this is not our work. This is from S block.
Yes, sir. It
Yes,
is also
sir.
ionic.
Yeah, this is from S block. So this S block
both
will
are
form
from S
ionic
block.
compound, children.
Yes, sir.
So B.
Yes, sir.
In the P block,
block.
boron is here, fluorine is here. Gap is very less. It is covalent.
Covalent bond.
So option 4 is correct, children. I think you are
Yes,
getting
sir.
my point.
Electronegativity.
Sir, why NaH is not?
NaH from S block. Na will form cation. 100% they will form for cation.
Ionic bond.
So if it is cation, definitely the other part is anion. So it is ionic.
Yes, sir.
It is
Okay,
the
sir.
guarantee of S block, children. Always remember S block will give electron. They will form cation.
Okay, sir.
Okay, with few examples of beryllium. Okay, don't worry. I will tell you when the exceptional comes.
Okay, sir.
Next question. Question number, tell me, 31.
31.
First, let me check out question number 30 is correct or not. 30, 30, 30. Yes, option 4 is correct. Which of the following is a favorable factor for cation formation? Which of the following? Which of the following is not an ionic compound?
Sir, again that question.
Which of the following is not an ionic compound? Sorry, same question.
with previous one only.
Oh, question number 31. Which of the following? Which of the following? Okay, up to here same language was there. That's why confusion took place. Is a favorable factor for cation formation? Did you remember Born-Haber cycle?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it is from that only. So option 1, low ionization energy. Number 2, high electron gain energy. Yeah, high electron affinity. Option 3, high electronegativity. Option 4, small atomic size. Tell me. If high electron gain and energy is there, means it want to accept electron. So accept electron means it will become anion, not cation. High electronegativity, it will form anion only. High and small atomic size will not lose electron easily.
Form anion only.
Generally it will form anion, and small atomic size it will not lose electron so easily.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because ionization energy decreases from top to bottom. So
Yes, sir.
small atom
Yes,
will
sir.
be having high ionization energy, high, and big atom will be having low. So it is clearly given here, low ionization energy is the favorable factor for formation of cation.
Yes.
Hello children, did you understand?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let me see the question number 31. 31 ka, yes, first option, yes, correct option. Please note it down.
Done, sir.
Sir,
Okay.
none.
Sir,
Completed,
actually due to network issue, I was automatically logged out of the meeting. So can you please unmute me again? Why not? I will unmute. Okay, yes, sir. What's your name? Harshit. Okay.
Sir, yesterday also we discussed this numericals.
Yeah. So when topic will be completed, we'll solve numerical and numericals.
I was asking because due to fever I was not able to attend yesterday.
That's why I am recording also, and that's why I am sending the. I know now some network problem may happen. That's why I'm recording everything. You can watch again and again.
Yes.
Next question.
Thank you, sir.
Question number 32. Lattice energy. Lattice energy depends on. Okay. Number 1, only radius of cation. Only radius of anion. Option 3, cation to anion ratio. And option 4, sum of the radii of cation and anion. Sum of the radii cation and anion. Sum of the radii of cation and anion. Okay, children. So lattice energy. So children, do one thing. I will give you some information on this basis. Then after giving some more information, then we'll come back to this question. Okay. Hello.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the time? 9 minutes more. Write down some
sir.
points on some important points on lattice energy.
Okay, sir.
Lattice energy. Write some points. Okay. I'm giving you some points. Please write on lattice energy. So I think you know the definition of lattice energy.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Na plus, it should be gas. Cl minus, it should be gas. And when they combine and form solid, whatever the energy is released, okay, negative sign means release, is known as lattice energy. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So by definition, okay, when one mole of gaseous cation and 1 mole of gaseous anion form 1 mole of lattice of this NaCl, okay, comma, whatever the energy is released is known as lattice energy.
Lattice energy.
Okay, that is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then number 2, okay, lattice energy is directly proportional to the product of cation and anion, charge of the cation and anion, okay, and inversely proportional to sum of the radii of cation and anion. Means we can write lattice energy is directly proportional to Z plus and Z minus. Directly proportional. जितना चार्ज होगा, जितना एनायन का चार्ज होगा, उतना ज्यादा कैटायन और एनायन का जितना ज्यादा चार्ज होगा, लैटिस एनर्जी उतना ज्यादा होगा. ओके.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
and radius of cation and radius of anion, ये जितना ज्यादा होगा उतना लैटिस एनर्जी कम होगा बच्चों. साइज बढ़ जाएगा ना, साइज कैटायन और एनायन बगल बगल रहेगा तो फोर्स ज्यादा काम करेगा.
Yes, sir.
और अगर ये दूर दूर रहेगा तो डेफिनेटली ये इनके बीच जो अट्रैक्शन कम होगा तो लैटिस एनर्जी भी कम होगा.
Okay, sir.
आई बात समझ में?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
कोई कांस्टेंट होगा?
ठीक से बोलो स्पीकर के सामने आके.
सर प्रोपोर्शनल को उठाए कोई कांस्टेंट होगा?
हाँ, कांस्टेंट होगा ना. लैटिस एनर्जी इज इक्वल टू कांस्टेंट Z प्लस Z माइनस R प्लस R माइनस. लेकिन अभी इसकी चिंता करने की जरूरत नहीं है.
Okay, sir.
ओके. तो देखो तो क्या बोल रहा है. डिपेंड्स ओनली इन द रेडियस ऑफ कैटायन. खाली कैटायन का रेडियस का बात कर रहा है या दोनों का बात कर रहा है?
दोनों का.
दोनों का.
तो ओनली रेडियस ऑफ कैटायन को क्या करें?
गलत है.
गलत है तो इसको हम कट कर देते हैं. ओनली रेडियस ऑफ एनायन क्या कर दे?
Cut. Wrong.
कट कर दे. कैटायन टू एनियन रेशियो की बात कर रहा है.
Wrong, sir.
रॉन्ग कर देते हैं. सम ऑफ द रेडियाई ऑफ कैटायन एंड एनायन पे डिपेंड करता है.
हाँ यही ठीक है.
करेक्ट कर देते हैं. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर
Correct,
कौन सा
Yes,
था?
sir, it is
32.
right.
तो 32 का कहाँ गया क्वेश्चन? कहाँ कर रहे थे लोग? क्वेश्चन नंबर 32 का चिल्ड्रन, 32 का फोर्थ ऑप्शन करेक्ट है.
ये
एक बार समझा दीजिए ना. समझ में
हाँ?
नहीं आया.
Yes, sir.
एक बार फिर से समझा दीजिए.
हेलो. NaCl सॉलिड है, ये तो मालूम है ना.
Yes, sir. Understood.
हाँ सर.
हाँ. और उसमें कैटायन और एनायन है. तो जब कैटायन एनायन जितना पास आएंगे ना बेटा, जितना पास आएंगे. हेलो.
हाँ सर।
जितना पास आएंगे ना उतना ज्यादा वो एनर्जी रिलीज करेंगे, उतना ज्यादा वो एनर्जी रिलीज करेंगे, क्योंकि उतना वो बॉन्ड स्ट्रांग होते जाएगा।
हाँ सर।
तो लैटिस एनर्जी जो है वो डिपेंड करता है कि कैटायन कैसा है, एनायन कैसा है, उनके ऊपर चार्ज कितना है और दूरी कितना है। चार्ज ज्यादा रहेगा तो लैटिस एनर्जी ज्यादा होगा, डिस्टेंस ज्यादा होगा तो लैटिस एनर्जी कम होगा। तो डिस्टेंस किसका किसका देखा है, कैटायन एंड एनायन।
एंड
तो सम ऑफ द रेडियस ऑफ कैटायन एंड रेडियस ऑफ एनायन। चलो और कोई और भी एग्जांपल आएगा तो और अच्छी तरीके
ये
से।
इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल है।
हाँ बेटा, हाँ हाँ हाँ, ये तो लिखा हुआ है बेटा। जो ऊपर रहता है वो डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल, जो नीचे रहता है वो इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल।
मुझे लगा आप नॉर्मल डैश दिए हैं इसीलिए प्रॉब्लम हो रहा
हाँ अभी क्लियर हो गया।
है। हाँ सर।
नॉर्मल डैश नहीं है बेटा,
Yes, sir.
बढ़िया से इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल का साइन बनाया, देखो इधर ये ऊपर है और ये नीचे है। बढ़ गया बेटा, समझ में आया अभी?
हाँ सर।
ओके नेक्स्ट।
हाँ सर,
प्लस और
समझ में आ
जेड
गया।
माइनस भी सम है क्या?
नहीं नहीं, ये प्रोडक्ट है बेटा।
ओह अच्छा।
ठीक है, कोई भी डाउट होने से पूछ लिया करो, हम बता देंगे। ये ऊपर प्रोडक्ट है और नीचे एडिशन है बेटा।
हाँ सर।
सर
ठीक।
K is constant ना सर?
हाँ, के इज ए कांस्टेंट।
सर वो नीचे एडिशन होगा।
हाँ नीचे एडिशन है।
ठीक है सर।
लैटिस एनर्जी कौन सा साइकिल से कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं हम लोग? बॉर्न
हार्वर्ड साइकिल।
पॉइंट नंबर और एक 4 लिख लो यहाँ पर।
सर ये बॉर्न हार्बर साइकिल एक बार एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं वापस?
उसके लिए आप लेक्चर मेरा देख लीजिए, मैं सेंड कर दूंगा व्हाट्सएप में, हाई भेजना, भेज दूंगा।
ठीक है सर।
देखो तो लिथियम फ्लोराइड, ओके, एंड सोडियम फ्लोराइड एंड पोटासियम फ्लोराइड, दोनों में एनायन सेम है, देखो ठीक है। हेलो,
Yes sir.
एनायन अगर सेम है मतलब R माइनस सेम है। हेलो,
Yes sir.
हाँ सर। हाँ सर।
और कैटायन एनायन
Hello.
कैटायन एनायन मतलब ये Z और ये भी सेम है। ठीक
Yes,
है,
sir.
तो अब पूरा फैक्टर किस पे डिपेंड कर रहा है? कैटायन का साइज पे।
Radii of cation.
हेलो,
यस सर, यस सर।
अब बताओ
Sir, radii of cation.
कैटायन किसका छोटा है?
सर एक बार शुरू से बताएंगे।
नहीं नहीं, ऐसा मत करो, बदमाशी नहीं करो, एकदम ध्यान रखना है। कैटायन किसका छोटा है?
Sir, potassium.
पोटासियम।
सर।
पोटासियम छोटा होता है बेटा, लीना।
सर लिथियम।
हाँ,
लिथियम छोटा है।
रिपन।
सर
किसने?
लिथियम
तो लिथियम
छोटा।
सबसे छोटा है, उससे बड़ा सोडियम है, उससे बड़ा पोटासियम, उससे बड़ा रूबिडियम, उससे बड़ा CS प्लम, सीजियम। हेलो,
यस सर,
Yes,
यस
sir.
सर।
तो इसमें आपने देखा Z प्लस और Z माइनस कांस्टेंट है,
यस
Yes
सर,
sir.
यस सर।
R माइनस भी कांस्टेंट है,
Yes sir.
K तो कांस्टेंट है।
Yes sir.
यस सर।
तो अब लैटिस एनर्जी किस पे डिपेंड कर रहा है?
Radii of cation.
रेडियस ऑफ
Radius
कैटायन।
of
अब
cation.
बताओ लिथियम छोटा है या बड़ा?
लिथियम छोटा है।
छोटा है, तो अगर ये वैल्यू छोटा रहेगा तो लैटिस एनर्जी क्या हो जाएगा?
Increase.
इंक्रीज। अब बताओ इनमें से एक ऑर्डर लिखो, कौन सा ऑर्डर सही रहेगा? इसके अंदर
Lithium is greater than
लैटिस
Na and
एनर्जी
Na is
ज्यादा
greater
है
than K.
इससे, और इसका लैटिस एनर्जी इससे ज्यादा है। समझ में आया बात?
Yes sir.
पॉइंट नंबर 5, पॉइंट एकदम एकदम अलर्ट होके सुनो बेटा, क्योंकि हम लोग के पास ज्यादा टाइम नहीं। लो 1 मिनट बाकी था, खत्म हो गया।
सर 50 हो गया।
क्या हो गया बेटा?
50 हो गया सर।
हाँ ठीक है,
Already.
ओके। LI एक बार और लिख लो, LIF, LICL, LIBR और LII। अब इसमें कैटायन कांस्टेंट है बच्चों,
हाँ सर।
एनायन बढ़ते जा रहा है। देखो, फ्लोरीन से बड़ा क्लोरीन, क्लोरीन से बड़ा ब्रोमीन, ब्रोमीन से ये बड़ा है। समझ में आई बात?
हाँ सर।
Yes sir.
तो इसका मतलब है इस बार ये कांस्टेंट है, ये कांस्टेंट है, कैटायन कांस्टेंट है, ये वेरी कर रहा है। तो ये भी अगर बड़ा होते जाएगा तो लैटिस एनर्जी कम होते जाएगा।
हाँ सर।
यस सर।
तो बताओ किसमें कम है किसमें ज्यादा है?
सर
LII में कम है, LIF में
LIF
ज्यादा है।
में
ज्यादा है सर,
ज्यादा
और
है।
LII में कम है।
अभी आ गया बात समझ में?
हाँ
हाँ
सर।
सर।
ओके, नेक्स्ट एक और लिख लो, जल्दी करो जल्दी करो। NAF, MgO एंड ALN, जल्दी करो। मैं आपको हिंट दे देता हूं, इसके ऊपर +1 है, इसके ऊपर -1 है, इसके ऊपर +2 है, इसके ऊपर -2 है, इसके ऊपर +3 है, इसके ऊपर -3 है। ठीक है, ठीक है।
यस सर।
अब बताओ चार्ज ज्यादा हो गया कि नहीं?
हाँ सर।
यस सर।
ठीक है, तो अब यहाँ पर ये वाला फैक्टर ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है, रेडियस वाला। ओके,
अब चार्ज वाला ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस है।
या चार्ज वाला ज्यादा डोमिनेंट है, समझ गए?
हाँ सर।
क्योंकि
हाँ सर।
चार्ज वाला मल्टीप्लीकेशन होता है, याद रखना।
हाँ हाँ।
और ये कैटायन एनायन तो जोड़ता है, तो मल्टीप्लीकेशन ज्यादा ना हो जाएगा,
हाँ
यस सर। यस सर।
इसलिए वो डोमिनेंट फैक्टर है। बताओ किसका है लेटिस एनर्जी ज्यादा?
ALN का, ALN।
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया, समझ गए?
हाँ
यस
सर।
सर।
ओके, तो आज इतना ही रखें, इसको कंटिन्यू करेंगे बाद में। ओके,
ओके सर।
बाय बाय
बाय
बाय
सर।
बाय।